Hello everyone, today in Sangee's Cookery we're going to see a nice protein rich kind of salad recipe. It's nothing but the Hesarubelu Kosambari. Moong dal in Kannada is called Hesarubelu. So this is nothing but the moong dal Kosambari or the Hesarubelu Kosambari. This protein rich lentil is a very good weight loss recipe and also a diet recipe. It can be had as a meal by itself. This is usually a traditional dish and it is served usually in the weddings also. In Tamil Nadu, the same thing is called Kosmalli, and in Karnataka it is called as a Kosambari. So let's quickly go into the procedure and see how we can make this recipe. I've taken half a cup in the measuring cup of yellow moong dal, 2 tablespoons of grated carrots, 2 tablespoons of pomegranate, 1 tablespoon boiled corn, 1 lemon, 2 to 3 green chilies finely chopped, few curry leaves for seasoning, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 2 to 3 tablespoons of grated coconut, 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander leaves finely chopped, 1 cup finely chopped cucumber. For seasoning, oil about 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 red chilli split, salt as per taste, pepper powder around 1/4 teaspoon. Firstly, I have soaked half a cup of moong dal for about an hour. So now we have all the things ready. I've just taken a bowl. I've actually drained the excess water of the moong dal. It has to be completely dry, otherwise it will become watery. Boiled corn, that also I have actually put it in the sieve, adding the grated carrots, coriander leaves, pomegranate, so colorful of yellow, orange, green, and for the white you have the grated coconuts, a tablespoon of grated ginger, finely chopped green chilies. Finally I'm adding the cucumber. Make sure there's no water, so you have to mix it up nicely. A 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. This is optional again. I'm not adding the salt right now, basically because salt will also leave water. So what I would suggest is at the time of serving, you can just take a portion of this and add salt accordingly. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Adding lemon juice acts as a preservative. For example, if you want to prepare this for lunch and you want to keep the same salad for the dinner as well, it will stay good. Mix it up nicely, and finally we're just going to do the seasoning. So oil has got heated up. I'll add a teaspoon of mustard seeds. So once it splutters, is adding red chilli and a few curry leaves. So the delicious Kosambari is ready. This is a very quick recipe and it can be prepared in minutes. And as I told you, make sure that you add the salt only before serving. So if I feel that I'm not going to consume the entire dish today, I'm just going to take a small portion, and to that I'm going to add salt. Otherwise it will leave water. So please remember that. And this is one of the favorite dish of my dad. So whenever I prepare this dish, I'm remembering my dad. This can be had as an evening snack, or it can be given as a salad. And few people also add soaked chana dal. So that can also be prepared. It can also be topped up with some onions and also with finely chopped mango. That also tastes really great. And this is usually prepared in Karnataka during Ramanavami times and during Shivratri times. This will be given as prasad in most of the temples. But if you're going to use it as a prasad, you can always omit the onions. So I hope you'll all try out this recipe. And if you like this recipe, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.